our cab driver ditched us. He was
Train is at like 2:55 and it's already 2:49. So that's our train that's gone. We just missed it by 1-2 minutes. So we are done with our packing and we are ready to move. Yeah, so good morning guys. Welcome back to another fresh video. So this was like the stay that we are staying in. So this is like a 8-bed mixed dorm. So we called a cab driver. I guess he's come on top. We'll just go on top then. Yeah, so good morning everyone. Welcome back to another fresh video. So we are going back to Coimbatore now. And we were waiting for a cab. Yesterday only we had asked him to like come at 7:30 because our bus is leaving at 8:30. So it's a government bus. So there's no booking system. It's pretty windy out here. So we are just calling some other few numbers. Let's see. Hopefully it comes. Or else we'll have to go walking then. But walking also will like take us, 1 hour. So I will just call the other guys and check. Yeah, so our cab driver ditched us. He was supposed to come at 7:30, but he's not receiving our calls. So we called some other guy. He said that he'll come at 8. I don't know why he's not coming early. Like instead of waiting here for half an hour, we thought that there's a cafe here. Cafe meaning just a hotel here. 5 minutes ahead. So we'll just go over there, have tea, and then we'll wait for him over there only. And this guy is back with his addiction.
Yo, what's up?
So we have come to this place that we had tea day for yesterday. So we are waiting for a cab driver. The other one will come at 8. So we just ordered 3 coffees and 1 bread omelette. We have a bread omelette and my favorite sauce. And here's our coffee. Just look at the beautiful view from here. I really wish that we could have this view from our room. But it looks really good from here. So our cab has arrived. So we are just going to the main city now near the bus stop. Yes, so we are just waiting at this main junction over here. So it seems the bus will come through this side only. Yes, so we got in our bus. These guys are sitting over there. They gotta sit there. So I think it's going to be 6 hours now until we reach. Yeah, so our bus stopped for a break. And just look at the view from here. So we are still on the mountains. It hasn't, I guess it covered 60-70 kilometers. I had a really good sleep. With the wind especially, it was feeling very good. So there's some city that we can see. Not sure where it is. So there's a shop here, but they are not taking a Google Pay. So Malcolm is also come. We all slept. Yes, so we got tapioca, 50-50 dark fantasy, and my friend's head is hurting a bit. So we took motion sickness tablets also. They are really helpful. That Avomine tablets. Me and my friend Malcolm are we are perfect, but my friend is just feeling a bit sick. Yeah. So I think we have the time right now is 10:30. So another 4-5 hours I think. 4 hours I think until we reach Coimbatore. So right now we are in Palani. So this is the Palani bus stop. It is saying, I just asked the driver, he's saying that it will take yeah, so I was saying that, we are running late. Actually, we have a train at 3 o'clock, but this bus is saying that it will reach at 3 o'clock at Coimbatore. So I don't know how we will manage. And just take a look at this windmills here. It's actually pretty windy outside, and the bus is also shaking a bit. I hope the driver speeds up so that we make it right on time. Yeah, so we are getting extremely late for our train. I don't think that even we will make it, but still let's see. So that our train is at 2:55 and it's already 2:49. So from here also it's showing that it will take 8 minutes. I just hope and pray that we reach on time. because even after we reach the station, it is at platform number 4. And Coimbatore, this thing station is a bit long for us to walk to platform 4. So that's our train that's gone. We just missed it by 1-2 minutes. I think we'll have to book a bus now for us to go. So there goes our train. Yeah, so now we are looking for other options. I think we'll either choose flight or bus. Let's see what happens. But you know, it's very disappointing that we missed it for just 1-2 minutes. So we came to this place over here. We are having biryani, and we are not yet sure how we are going back to Goa. There are multiple ways, so we are just figuring out which one is the most feasible for us. So I think we'll sit here for half an hour and decide, and then I'll let you know what we are doing. Yes, so we had food over there, and we were just walking. So we saw these wheels. Yeah, so backstory. I'm thinking of just a minute. Yeah, so I'm thinking of building something. Let's see, maybe in the near future. So I wanted the wheels for that. Yeah, so the place that we are going to is quite far. So we decided that we'll take an auto. Because we already walked for 2 kilometers and we don't have the energy to walk more. Yes, so we are come to the place where our bus will be coming. So this is the 5 o'clock bus. Our bus is at 6 o'clock. Yeah, so we think that this is our bus. So we are ready. We took the bags. So we'll just do the boarding. We'll see what's if this is our bus only, because it's just 5:20 and our bus was at 6. Yes, so we got in our bus. So these 2 seats are ours, and this is the last one. So I'm right behind. Yeah, so outside there was a lot of noise, so I did not vlog much. So you know, one side it's good that we missed our train, because now we can roam in Kerala also. So we'll be going to Kochi now, and from Kochi we have a bus tomorrow to Goa. So that means we'll be reaching in Goa on Monday. One side it's a bit disappointing that we missed our train right that too, we just missed it by 1-2 seconds. That is also a disappointment. But it's fine. Things like this happen when we are traveling. Yeah, so now we'll be going to Kerala. We already booked a room over there and we'll be staying there to the night. Tomorrow morning we'll go to Lulu Mall, and there is, I guess, Marine Drive point also over there, where they do their tribal fishing techniques. So we'll go over there. We'll see that also. So this full space is for me. There's ample of space here. And these are recliner seats. So just 4 hours of journey, and then we'll be in Kerala. So the bus just started moving. I think it's stuck in traffic back again. So it will take us around 4 hours to reach Kerala now. Yes, so we are in Kochi right now. So this is the metro line, and this is the stay that we'll be staying at. So we'll just get done with the entry over here, and then we'll meet you all in the room. Yes, so we got in our room. So this is what our room looks like. There's the bathroom, and this is the main passage. But the beddings are a bit dirty. So we'll just ask him to change that one, and this one is also okay, but this one is dirty. So yeah, we'll just get done with that, and we'll also I think I'll have bath first before even going to have food. Yeah, so we had bath, and food is also come. So we ordered from Pizza Mania, and we had some offers going on, meaning they had some offers going on. So we got 4 pizzas. My video is uploading side by side. So we are extremely hungry today. So we'll just have first. Also the journey today was really tiring. First time I think I feel this tired traveling, because in our mind it was said that we'll just take the train and then we'll be going home. But then this came out of syllabus. We just said bye to our train from the station. Just 10-20 seconds and the train went. Yeah, so although it gave us a good opportunity to like explore Kochi also. So tomorrow like is our last day of our travel. So we'll roam in Cochin. So we might go to the mall, or else we might go to the like there's a marine drive over here in Kochi. So like if the weather is good, we'll go over there, or else if it's raining, we'll go to the mall only. So we'll just have this first. Yes, so we had like dinner, that's pizzas, and now we are off to sleep. So I'm done uploading the video also. It's saying that it's processing. Yeah. So like the vlogs are like 2-3 days back, but now they'll be continuous. So I'll upload a vlog now and then I'll go to sleep. These guys are already off to bed. So yeah, even I'll go. Like I'm really tired today with the especially with the bus travel. Like full day we spent in the bus early morning. I think we started at 8:40 and we ended up at like 10:40. So like full day we are traveling by bus. And yeah, even though the one that we came to Kochi was AC, but still it was quite hot over there. Yeah, so that's it. That's gonna be for today's video. I hope you all like the video till here. If you all have liked the video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.